In today's video, I will walk you through how to find recently added coins on CoinMarketCap. To find recently added coins on CoinMarketCap, start by going to the CoinMarketCap platform. On the platform, you can find different information about cryptocurrencies, including newly listed coins, rankings, charts, gainers, losers, and other sections. To view newly listed coins, go to the Recently Added section. This section displays all the newly listed cryptocurrencies on CoinMarketCap. On the Recently Added page, check the available information for each coin. You can view the time added to see when the coin was listed. This shows whether the coin was added today or recently. Review the list of newly added coins and check their price movement. You can see the percentage change and compare how each coin is performing after being listed. To view more details about a coin, click on the coin name. This opens the coin page where you can check additional information. On the coin page, review the current price, percentage change, and other available details. You can also add the coin to your watch list. Select different newly added coins from the Recently Added section and compare their information. For each coin, check the 24-hour volume to see the trading activity. You can also view the coin website, explore the community section, and check available social media information from the coin page. To find more details about a coin, use the available sections on its page and review the information provided. You can also check the biggest gainers and losers from the newly listed coins. Review which coins have increased or decreased in price after being added. The Recently Added section allows you to find newly listed cryptocurrencies and review their available information. Check this section regularly to view new coin listings on CoinMarketCap. When reviewing newly listed coins, check the available price data, volume, and other information shown on the coin page before continuing your research. You can use CoinMarketCap to explore recently added coins, view their details, and compare different new listings in one place. Thank you for watching.